Hi, Tony. Thanks for being with us today. For our viewers, can you please introduce yourself, your role, and the company you work for?
My name is Tony Sukhwani. I'm a principal systems engineer at Belcan. Belcan is a technical services company that provides engineering services from tooth to tail.
What are the challenges you're facing the most at Belcan for your customers?
New tooling, so being able to integrate new and novel ideas within the MBSE space.
All right. So, why MBC is so important to you?
BSE is important to me. One, primarily because I'm a classically trained systems engineer, and moving into the new paradigm shift of going all digital has really accelerated the systems development lifecycle, as well as created the full traceable and visual representation of a system, or at least the system design, to be able to be shared with your stakeholders without having to look throughout the separate documentation, and just being able to really visualize what we're building.
Okay. How CATIA Magic and Cameo is helping you in these challenges?
So CATIA Magic has done a fantastic job of being very easy to use, opening up their internal APIs to be able to traverse the model by providing the additional tooling for structured expressions and being able to just integrate across the board, with Excel, using Data Hub to connect to Doors and Jama. So it's really a one-stop shop for our systems engineering design. Dassault Systems have done a fantastic job of exposing the appropriate APIs for end users to be able to leverage those to be able to integrate other tools within Cameo, such as taking the return information from a large language model, converting that into something that is machine readable, and then being able to build model elements from that, along with associated traceability and relationships.
Okay. What's your vision for the AI integration? What will be the next tool like CATIA Magic?
So with AI evolving in these tools, it's definitely going to become a baseline feature in all tools, not just CATIA Magic, but across the board in all our engineering tools. AI definitely needs to be embraced as an accelerator for engineers, not a replacement. So a lot of the times I know companies are creating their own large language models for internal purposes. So that is one good method to do it. Personally, I wouldn't allow a customer to use an open ChatGPT.
And what do you think about Dassault System and CATIA strategy, which brings their own AI model inside, like Copilot?
So I think that is a fantastic approach where you don't actually have to prompt the model, and it's just automatically generating whatever you need from it. And being their own agentic framework behind it is a solid solution, and that's definitely where I'm planning on going in the future.
Thanks for your time and your valuable insight.
Of course, thank you very much. Appreciate it.